So this leads us on to your next activity, which I've basically summed up for you. Collect up all those contacts, enter them into the Excel sheet using the columns that I've suggested. Now, the next thing I'd like to do is think about segmenting that list into groups. Now, what I mean by this is breaking your overall list up, and you can do this in many ways. Now, for instance, you might like to break your list up by how you met them. Like I do, for instance, if I go to a trade show, I obviously first get their permission to go on my list. I offer them something and they say, yes, please send that through to me. So I might say, break that list down into the list from XYZ conference, so that when I send them messages, I can have a note at the bottom to say that you got onto my list from the XYZ conference, or it was amazing to meet you at the XYZ conference. And I can follow up that way, and I've always got that one thing in common every time I contact them. Another way you can segment your list might be in the type of product or service that they were interested in. If you have a number of different services, you might get people that were interested in product A or service A. They go into one list, and all of the customers that are interested in product B or service B go into list B, so to speak. So how you break your list down is really up to you, but this is great when it comes to your marketing, particularly when later on we look at email marketing and email campaigns. So complete a full list, then break it down into logical groups so that you can market efficiently. Look at the last time you contacted them. When were you last in touch? What was it about? What was it for? How frequently should you be getting in touch with that list or that segment, based either on their buying cycle or the different products and services you have available to them? And then finally, the next thing we're going to do is get you to upload those or add them to your customer record management system, to your email marketing system, or upload them to some database, back them up somehow so that you don't have all of your eggs in one basket in a place you could lose them. So conduct that list health check, and that will start pulling this together for you.